Today's session is on a new method for finding particular integral. It is called as variation of parameters. Till now in all earlier videos we were working with a method to find particular integrals by different rules. Those rules give answer very easily. That's why those rules are called as shortcut rules. Now this is another method which we are going to discuss during this video. Consider a second order linear differential equation. Definitely it will have a complementary function as c1y1 plus c2y2. It will have exactly two solutions. I'll call one as y1, another as y2. Particular integral is given by u times y1 plus v times y2, where u and v are functions of x and they can be obtained by the formula displayed here. This result is mostly useful when our phi x is any other function other than exponential or sine and cosine. Of course, we can solve all other questions which we had discussed in earlier videos by this method, but this is specially used when we cannot use those methods. For example, if my phi x is, let's say, tan x, sec x, or any other expression, then I can go ahead with the solving method variation of parameters. Here W, which is mentioned in the formula, is called as Wronskian and it is given by determinant y1 y2 and y1 dash y2 dash. Let us discuss the process using with an example. You can observe the RHS is cot 2x and none of the rules which we studied earlier can help us in finding particular integral for this equation. As the method is only for particular integral, complementary function can be obtained with the same way as we did earlier. So since I have complex roots, complementary function is c1 cos 2x, c2 sin 2x. So y1 is first function, I'll take it as cos 2x, y2 is sin 2x. Let us find Wronskian here. Wronskian, if I find, turns out to be 2 and phi x I can see is a cot 2x. So by variation of parameters, my particular integral is uy1 plus vy2. Where let us work with u first. The formula for u is this. Let us substitute the values. After simplifying, we can get cos 2x by 2, which results in the integral sin 2x upon 4. Similarly, I can find v. For simplification purpose, we can simplify cos square as 1 minus sin square so that I can use the denominator to simplify. And it results into cosec 2x minus sin 2x. And now we can integrate it. After finding u and v, we have to specify the particular integral. So now the particular integral, I can write expressions for u and v which I have obtained. If we observe closely, there is first term and last term is same with a opposite sign, so it will get cancelled. You can see this will get cancelled with this, and my particular integral turns out to be only this expression, 1 by 4 sin 2x into log of cosec 2x minus cot 2x. So let us finalize our solution. Y, the general solution is then complementary function plus particular integral, and that is how we can solve the question using variation of parameter. Here I have the expression e to the power minus 3x upon x square. This is a combination of two functions, but because of that 1 upon x square, I won't be able to solve it using shortcut method which we studied earlier. Again, we'll go with finding complementary function. Since here my roots are real and equal, I have got two functions. The function with C1 I'll term as y1, and the function with C2 I'll term as y2. So when there are repeated roots, I can have one function as e to the power minus 3x, another function as x e to the power minus 3x. And hence, accordingly, I can get Wronskian. Wronskian, it may not be a number every time. We can get an expression, but whatever it comes, it will simplify our integral when we'll go for finding u and v. Right now, my Wronskian turns out to be e to the power minus 6x. We can see 5x is e to the power minus 3x upon x square. Let us try finding u and v now. U, as I have written, after simplification I'll be getting 1 upon x only, because e to the power minus 6x will get cancelled with the denominator. The integration is minus log x, and I can work with v now. So v gives me minus 1 upon x. Let's combine those two to get my particular integral, and if you see, the particular integral turns out to be minus of log x plus 1 e to the power minus 3x. My general solution. Here are some examples for you to work with. Thank you.